Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. Now we are going to solve the answers for the course that is a 4-week course actually Python for data science from NPTEL. So we are at week 1 and the assignment 1. For the question number 1, the option C is the correct answer, that is plus. Which of the arithmetic operators given below cannot be used with the string in Python? Okay, next coming to the second one, when the following statement can get is executed, what type of the error is obtained? It is actually syntax error. So option B is the correct answer. Now coming to the third one, two variables x and y are assigned the following values: x equal to 3 and y equal to 6. Which of the following statements will help swap the values between these two variables? For this, option 4 is the correct answer. From the following set of statements, what will be the value of a variable y in the final print statement? For this, the answer is 1, that is option C. And now coming to the fifth one, the answer is 15 comma 15. And now coming to the sixth one, the output of the following statements is true, that is option B. And now coming to the seventh one, the answer is 4 comma int. And coming to the eighth one, the answer is float comma float. And coming to the ninth one, the answer is 0. And coming to the 10th one, the for the code, the output is 2. Actually, this is the option B is the answer like this. For this 10, 2 is the answer. For this ninth question, 0 is the answer. And for eighth question, float comma float is the answer. For seventh question, it is 4 comma int. And sixth question, it is true. And fifth question, it is 15 comma 15. And coming to the fourth one, it is 1. And coming to the third one, it is x comma y is equal to y comma x. And coming to the second one, it is actually syntax error. And coming to the first one, the answer is plus. Okay, so this is the week 1 assignment. I will upload all the weeks for this course. Totally 4 weeks we are having. So I will upload now the week number 2 also. So please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials for more videos. Thank you one and all.